The scorching destruction of Australia's Black Summer bushfires between 2019 and 2020 provided an ominous glimpse of fires reach in our hotter, drier world, and the impact of the unprecedented inferno is still being measured. Just weeks ago, scientists observed that the amount of smoke spewed from the blaze into the atmosphere rivaled that of a great volcanic eruption. Now, researchers say the giant smoke cloud was so immense it measurably heated the stratosphere for months no end. In a new study, scientists simulated the plume's emergence and evolution, showing the worst documented wildfires in Australian history left a lasting effect on the region's sky. Extreme wildfires can inject smoke into the upper troposphere and even into the stratosphere under favorable meteorological conditions. The researchers write in their paper the higher the smoke is injected, the longer it will persist and the wider its extent. In the case of a black summer fires, the flames sent almost a trillion grams of smoke particles up into the stratosphere, which the researchers explain is the largest amount ever documented in the satellite era. Each of these have different heat trapping effects in the atmosphere, with brown carbon being the most heat trapping due to the way it warms surrounding air after absorbing sunlight. According to the researchers' calculations, the black summer plume was composed of about 2.5% black carbon, which helped provide a heating effect in the stratosphere that lasted the remainder of the year. Simulations suggest that the smoke remained in the stratosphere for all of 2020 and that it measurably warmed the stratosphere by about 1 to 2 Kelvin. The team explains, our study highlights that record breaking wildfire smoke can cause persistent impacts on stratospheric dynamics and chemistry. In addition to warming the stratosphere, the researchers say the record breaking smoke event would also have had a diminishing effect on ozone levels in the stratosphere, destroying ozone molecules in the mid high latitudes of the southern hemisphere and likely making the ozone hole bigger temporarily. While the researcher acknowledged that observation of aerosols producing stratospheric warming have been made before, it's the first time scientists have measured the phenomenon to such an extent as this, given the record breaking output of the Black Summer fires.